Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your device louder in the Android 14. So, at the start you have to open the Google Play Store, then look for the Volume Booster app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Goodiv app, so we can launch it now. I'll allow permissions or not to the notifications and click yes agree or no thank you 3 times. Now close the window, tap on the OK, and the tool is active. You can adjust a level of your boost of the speaker by sliding this little slider. You can increase and decrease that. The 60% is max, so just adjust it to your needs. And now if you tap on the home screen or just kill the process from the background apps, the tool is still active. So if you want to disable it, open the app from the home screen and choose subservice. Tap OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.